Good morning, students. Today we are going to see how to draw an activity diagram, UML diagram, using Argo UML tool. Okay, let me tell you what is an activity diagram. We share the screen. See, an activity diagram illustrates the flow of control in a system and that refers to the steps involved in the execution of a use case. We can depict both sequential processing and concurrent processing of the activities using the activity diagram. It focuses on the condition of flow and the sequence in which it happens. We'll see what are the symbols used in the activity diagram notation. One is a God symbol. It's very similar to the decision box. Then another one is fork symbol. When you have concurrent activities, you can make use of the fork symbol. Join, combining two activities. Merging is also very similar to combining the activities. Time event will get executed for a stipulated time period. Control flow arrow symbol. Initial state, yeah, shaded circle. Then the final state, two circles, and inner one being shaded. Decision node. Then we have a swim lane, then the action for the activity state. So these are the symbols used when you are drawing the activity diagram. Now we'll see how to draw a activity diagram for a library management system. So this diagram shows the activity UML diagram for a library management system. First is the start symbol. Then the next activity is inquiry about the books. Then the next activity is joined by a control flow. And check the availability of the book. If the book is available, validate the member whether he is a valid member. If he is a valid member, check the number of books issued to that particular member. If he is already in possession of the maximum number of books available, book should not be issued. Or if he has got less number of books on hand, then you can issue the book. Then add the member, book and issue details. Update the book status being issued and then stop. So this is the flow for when the valid book is unavailable. When a book is not available, then show an activity or a message, display a message stating that book is not available and then stop. The book is available but he is not a valid member, then it will enter into this decision not valid. Then check the register number, the status, and whether the book is issued to some other user. Then finally it has to come to an end. So this activity diagram is very similar to the flow diagram. Flow diagram normally we do it for a processing. Here we are doing it for an UML, that is Unified Modeling Language structure. So various activities involved will be designed one after the other so that we can know the flow control of the process. Some more simple examples we'll see for activity diagram. So these are the symbols used. So this is an activity diagram using a decision mode. Input a number. If the number is odd, then display the number, else show error. This is a simple decision taken for odd and even. And similarly for fork, that is, as I told you, the fork symbol is used for supporting the concurrent activities. Now say here the process is making a coffee, then two process like steaming the milk and adding a coffee are done together. So this is an example for a concurrent activity. Then join. Adding coffee and steaming milk and then combining these two will give you the results. Results of preparation of coffee. So like this you can merge combine the activities, or you can have the concurrent activities together.